Okay, we're ready to get assembling. I put the base together. It's just 4 bolts putting together. It's on top of the brick walls. I've assembled the sides, as you can see here, and the gables, you've seen me doing those already, so it's just really a matter of doing pretty much the same thing. So I'm now going to go ahead and put it together, give it a look, see what happens. It's a 2-person job. Need the screwdriver. Well, that was more work than it needed to be. Rubber head. Right, well anyway, we'll get the rest of it assembled up and get it put properly up in effect and get on. The first corner is always the hardest. Let's have a go at this. Right, it was a well-deserved cup of coffee here. That's the first corner installed. It's not easy when you're doing it on your own, putting it together. It has to be done. Right, first one's on. Get this cable on here. I've learned a few lessons. Like, use the old cyclist's a toe strap to tie the frame to the fence. It'll hold that bit up. And then use the wheelie bin over here to hold the other side up and be good to go. 3 sides done, 1 to go. Okay, after a bit of toing and froing, it's finally in place. It's there. The old bicycle toe straps come in handy. Very, very handy. Just going to put the ridge pole on, then I'll call it a night. It's getting a bit dark, so happy days. But it's in place. It's big. It's big. I got the ridge pole in place last night, as you can see. It's a wee bit dark to film, but that's it.